Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to track business loan repayments in Lendingclub. Once your Lendingclub business loan is approved and funded, keeping track of repayments is essential for both cash flow management and maintaining a strong credit profile. Thankfully, Lendingclub provides several tools to monitor your payments easily and of course stay organized. After logging into your Lendingclub dashboard, just navigate to the business loan section. Here you're going to see your outstanding loan balances, next payment due dates, and repayment history. Each payment entry lists the principal and interest portion separately, which is helpful for tracking how much of your balance you've paid down over time. If you set up autopay, payments will automatically be deducted from your linked business bank account. The dashboard confirms successful withdrawals, giving you peace of mind that you won't miss deadlines. For added security, you can also opt to receive emails or push notifications each time a payment is processed. To get a broader view, Lendingclub provides a repayment schedule. This projection outlines every payment from the start to the end of the loan term, showing of course how much interest you'll pay overall if you follow the standard schedule. It's essentially useful for planning cash flow and budgeting around upcoming obligations. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.